Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, and the word is block. Okay, and then as always we line up the letters B, L, O, C, K, and we find the corresponding Morse codes. So for B we shall look here, long press, tap tap tap. B is long press, tap tap tap. Then L, we look for L, which is here, tap, long press, tap tap. It's tap, long press, tap tap. Then we find O. O is here, so it's long press, long press, long press, long press, long press, long press. You forgive me for the noise in the background. Then C. C is here, long press, tap, long press, tap, long press, tap, long press, tap. Then we find K. K is here, it's long press, tap, long press, long press, tap, long press. Now let us get the phone and we put in these Morse codes. As always, click here in the middle, Daily Cipher, until this button turns red, and we put in this Morse code. So for B we said long press, tap tap tap, that's B. Then L, tap, long press, tap tap. Then O, long press, long press, long press. Then C, long press, tap, long press, tap, that's C. Then K, long press, tap, long press, and the word is block. Lastly, click on take the price and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.